all night. Tent's holding up though. And this is holding up pretty well. It's a little damp. Good morning, starshine. The earth says hello. Name that movie. It rained, it rained, it rained. Ready for a run?
Yeah, I know.
He got it lit, even in the rain. Well, it's not raining, but the wood's wet. Good job, Russ. What happened to your boot, Russ?
I think it got too hot next to the fire when I was warming my feet, and I think the glue separated.
Dang.
But these babies made the hike yesterday.
Practical Goods sent us this awesome outdoor blanket. We've actually been using it mostly as just a blanket to go over our sleeping bags, and it's been really cozy. How's this?
Hi.
So it's got this waterproof, windproof, basically weatherproof outside material, and then on the inside is this polar fleece that's super soft and really cozy. It just kept us really warm during the cold nights. So we'll go ahead and link their website down below if you want to go check it out. I definitely recommend this blanket. My sister and I are searching for these hot springs, so she has this book about all these different hot springs in Idaho, and the guy who rates the hot springs, she'll give them like a good, fair, excellent. Anyways, excellent is the top rating, and these hot springs are supposed to be excellent. We're gonna hike up some trail over there, so yeah, hopefully we find them. That'll be cool. The book she has was published in 2013, so I mean, they could be dry or something. Still no luck. We've tried 2 trails so far. We found it! How hot is it?
Woo! Hot!
Hot?
I want to come back and going.
There's another one up there.
Yeah, they said that one's the hottest. Yeah,
Oh man, it is hot, but it feels good.
oh my god. I don't know if I've been in a hot spring since I was so
Oh, it's great. It's really good.
Go under the waterfall. How do you sound?
Oh my goodness, it's like a hot shower.
I know.
It's so good. Back from our hot springs adventure. It was amazing. We love the hot springs, but my sister actually fell when we were going to explore the top one. Show them your leg. So she scraped up her entire leg. It actually goes all the way up. It's like really bad. And then then she hit her cheek, but she's okay. She's okay. We're back, we're getting dinner ready. We're actually cooking Indian food. It's gonna be really good. And then depending on how everyone's feeling, we might go back to the hot springs after the moon comes up and the stars come out. It'd be amazing. Yum. Got some Indian food with some naan and some salad. Bomb dinner for camping. Back at the hot springs, and this time I brought the Practico blanket that they gave us because it's raining and it's kind of cold, so I can just use this. And I'm waterproof and warm. It's awesome. It's raining and it's just perfect. Loving it. that fire is dead out.
I think it was dead out last couple times.
She's touching the coals.
These rocks.
Rocks get hot then.
Good
Yeehaw,
trip,
good
guys.
trip.
Good
Sorry,
trip.
that's my cigarettes.
So we are packing up the campsite. We're about ready to head home. It's been a wonderful couple of days. It's been really nice to get some time to de-stress from working on the van 100 miles per hour. Really wish Corbin could have been here, but he had to work, and it's gonna be okay because we're gonna be camping for basically the rest of the year. But be sure to thumbs up this video if you liked it and leave a comment below your favorite time camping with your family or some sort of adventure memory you have with your family. And be sure to subscribe because we put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And be where your feet are. Bye. We're back. And everything has to dry now.